To start or stop device setup manager service in Windows 10 Home, right-click Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services. Scroll down screen. And then right-click on Device Setup Manager. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Enables the detection, download, and installation of device-related software. If the service is disabled, the device may be configured with outdated software and may not work correctly. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.